friends, welcome to yet another exciting video. Today we are going to learn periodic table starting from 11 to 20. Yes, I'm going to tell you one more technique by which you will be able to memorize your periodic table from 11 to 20. The name of that method is PNN, that is personal nickname method. Okay, so let's start the memorization part. So let me share my screen first. Okay. Here is your periodic table 11 to 20 and memorization method using PNN method. Okay. So these are the PNN or personal nickname or some kind of association with the elements. So your very first element or keyword is salt, camera, kitchenware, film, matchbox, artillery gun, insecticides, light bulb, soap, and cement. Now you will be thinking how one can associate these keywords with the elements. So these are actual uses of those material like sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and calcium. Yes, these are those elements are used in making or manufacturing of these products. So first you have to make a story, a chain method around this. So how one can do that? We have taken the keywords. Now we are going to make a story around this. So how could be your memorization? So it could be you had salt. That salt you have used to clean your camera. And from that camera, you took a photo of kitchenwares. So when you actually about to see that photo or took out that film to check that photo is of not kitchenware and it is not clear to you. So what you did, you light a matchstick and kept below that film to check it, what actually that photo is. So what you can see, you can see that there's a photo of an artillery gun and a person. In the second scene, a person who's spraying insecticides on plants. Can you see it on the screen? You can see artillery gun and a person spraying insecticides on plants. So you were thinking how this is possible. I have taken a photo of a kitchenware and I'm getting photo of artillery gun and insecticides. So you switch on a bulb. You switch on a bulb and light bulb and you want to check it if it is clear or not. Again, you got the same photo. So you actually clean it using a soap. Properly wash it under a soap and using a soap to check it, how it is, why it is. But then after washing the soap, the two photos has got converted into a construction site photo where a lot of cements are kept. Where you find cements? On the construction site. Okay, construction site or somewhere where the construction is going on. So what you can see, a lot of cement bags are kept at a construction site. That photo you can see. So coming in the reverse direction, construction site, soap, light bulb, then insecticide, a person spraying insecticide, then artillery gun, matchstick or the matchbox, then film, kitchenware, camera, and the number one is salt. So salt, camera, kitchenware, film, matchstick, then artillery gun, insecticides, light bulb, soap, and finally construction site or cement bags. So this could be your memorization or your story for the 11 to 12 associated. So salt, as I told you, is associated with sodium. Sodium is used in the manufacturing of common salt as well as salt which we use for cleaning ice on roads. So salt, sodium chloride, salt, sodium. Magnesium is used in manufacturing of cameras. So camera, you can see the photo of camera. Aluminum, we all know it is used in manufacturing of kitchenware. Okay. Silicon is used in manufacturing of film. Phosphorus in matchbox, that wood which we light, no? So that wood is made up of phosphorus. Gunpowder used in artillery guns are basically made up of sulfur. Okay. Insecticides has chlorine in it. Okay. Insecticides or some water filtering chemical, those have chlorine in it. Okay. Then light bulb have argon in it. Other uses are also there, but then one use is light bulb. Potassium is used in soap, and calcium is used in cement making. I have actually taken the uses. So what you can do, you can even take other uses, or at what means why it has got its name as sodium or magnesium or aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, why it has got that name. That also you can use, or that in which food product or in which material which we eat has this components or these elements are there. So sodium is found in which vegetable or in which fruit. Those could also be your keyword to memorize that. So simple: sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, and potassium, calcium. And your keywords for that words are salt, camera, kitchenware, film, matchstick, then artillery gun, insecticides, bulb, soap, and finally cement or cement bags or construction site. Okay, so this way you can remember or memorize 11 to 20 elements. So we are going to stop here, and I will come up with another 20 elements in next video. So till then, keep learning and keep growing.